I got some handcuffs for Christmas, and they're made of real metal. And so today I'm going to do a tutorial short on how to take them off. Yes, there is one way too. There's two ways. So you see this one like little nub? So you'll pull it back. That unlocks it for a second. See? That unlocks it. But it also comes with a metal key. So
live from WRAL News headquarters in Raleigh, your #1 source for local news. WRAL News.
so you see that key? See the key? It's in. So I'll turn the key. Hold on. And bam! It takes it off. And it comes with two keys. No, they were not separated. They were... I broke the separation thingy. And there are two keys. But yeah. Bye everybody! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks! You're the best.